Hey everybody, I had another drag link problem. This drag link is off the ST12, also known as Conan. Same problem as Grandpa. That hole wore out, and I've already tried to fix it, but it won't come out right now, but I don't think it's gonna last very long. So I was talking to a friend at the Garden Tractor Days show, and he told me about this other fix that he's heard about. So we're gonna try to attempt this. And what that fix is, and this fix will probably work on any tie rod or drag link that has this type of system on it. So what he has told me is he heard the fix is with a washer. And what you do is you cut a slot in the washer and you slide it in between here, and you weld it onto the drag link. And I think that actually will work. So we're going to try this method out. If not, he told me to give him a call and he'll see if he's got another one. So we're going to try it. Okay, so I've got that done, and I've C-clamped it, and I made this slot just big enough where I had to use a hammer to pound it in to the middle there, because I wanted as much space here so I could do a little tack weld. And that's what I'm going to do now. Just going to tack weld that, and go to the other side, tack weld that side over there, and then I'm going to trim this down, and then I'm going to weld on the side here. So, or I'll probably just flip it over and then weld, and then grind these down on the side. He's like, looks like a little wings there. So let me set the welder up here. Okay, so there it's all welded up. Not too great, but as long as it holds, that's what counts. So I'm going to move this camera, set it up in the vise, and take it from there. And I'm going to call that good. I think that'll be fine. Haven't moved it around yet, so let's check that out. It's going to be hot, so I'll probably have to work with it. It moves around. It's tight, but you know what? That might be good. So when I get this on, I think I got some welds down in that hole that I'll have to try to pick out. Yeah, I see one. But I'll put it on Conan the Destroyer and we'll see. I'll let you know if that works. So, but I think it's gonna work fine. It doesn't move as much as the other one, but nevertheless, I think it'll work. So, if you got this problem, try that fix. Like I said, it should work on like tie rods and drag links, whatever kind of, if you have a system like this, it'll probably work. But I'll let you know in the future videos if it worked or not, if I remember. Thanks for watching this little thing. And thanks for Arden for giving me this idea. That's something I should have thought of. Alright. See you later, everybody.